behalf of the Board of Trustees, welcome and thank you all for joining us here to celebrate both a significant milestone in the history of this school, as well as your contributions that brought it to reality. For the last 60 years, thousands of Country Day students and faculty were able to see further, standing on the shoulders of the visionary giants that built that original lower school, right here on this property. In what was at that time just a field of wildflowers. And now for the next 60 years, thousands more students and faculty here at the school will be able to see further, standing on the shoulders of the generous giants gathered here today, that have made possible such an enormous stride forward to enhance the educational experience of this school. On behalf of all of the Board of Trustees, thank you all for being those giants.
Well, to start with, of course, to the Country Day family here, welcome to your beautiful new lower school campus, the Annie Richardson Bass. Beautiful facility. I think that deserves a round of applause. Fort Worth continues to be the largest, fastest growing city in the country. With that comes a tremendous amount of responsibility, especially as you think about the future of our city, which of course is our young people. I don't have to tell you this, but this place truly is special. On any given week, I have the opportunity to visit classrooms all across the city of Fort Worth. By the way, there are 12 public ISDs in the city, innumerable number of wonderful private schools, charter schools, homeschool families. But I can often tell you immediately how a school is performing when I walk in the doors. You can feel it in the place. When you talk to the teachers, when you talk with the students, and I've always felt that Country Day was truly special.
Today, we went from having a beautiful building to now being inside a tremendous school. Our second 60 years of an amazing lower school at Fort Worth Country Day began with 325 first through fourth grade students joining 30 teachers in just to list a few of the spaces you're about to see. Amazing new classrooms, tremendous STEM spaces, significant learning specialist spaces, a truly stunning library, our reimagined playground, our newly minted outdoor classrooms, and so many more wonderfully conceived and fabulously realized spaces. But it is most importantly a space in which we will continue to build and celebrate community.
I've been a member of the Fort Worth Country Day community since I started kindergarten here in 1990. The building that stood here before was my early education home, my entry into the 3 A's, and my introduction to the values, traditions, expectations, and opportunities that make our school so special. But improvements were needed, badly. This building, with its light-filled classrooms, tall ceilings, outdoor learning spaces, and inviting, expansive library, will be that home for our children and our grandchildren. This will be the place where they sprout their falcon wings and the place that they visit long after they've graduated to reminisce and give thanks.
May this be a place warm with comfort and joy, where all will feel welcome to each girl and each boy. May we feel the pride every time we walk in of being a falcon, of being a friend. May we know we are loved by teachers who care, and be ready to go from here anywhere.
This is truly an historic campaign for the school. Our priorities in what was called the Forward Together campaign included the athletic field and track enhancements, growing our endowment as well as our annual fund, and of course a brand new lower school, which was determined after 60 years of service by the old lady before us. It was priority number 1 in the master plan. One of our overarching goals as a board has been to maintain Country Day status as a flagship school in this city. And this lower school will only enhance that future pipeline for our admissions and really help fortify the base of our student body going forward. Lastly, I'm extraordinarily proud to announce that the campaign has officially crossed our $40 million goal as a whole. So,